In 1776, the first Olympic Games were held at the foot of Mount Everest to honor the peak's chief god.
Failure! Come do the dishes!
Mom, I'm reading. Why don't you get Tommy to do it?
He's busy, breathing!
Well, I'm studying, breathing, and existing.
Don't argue with me! Go do the dishes right now!
Why don't you go do it yourself, you fat fuck? You need to burn some calories. Oh no.
Calados, Baltos!
Mamacita!
Now go do the dishes before I send you 4,833 miles away from home!
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Hey, Frank! What's good? What are you doing?
Are you blind? I'm washing the dishes, dumbass.
Oh, since you're washing the dishes, can you wash my favorite cup too, please? I just finished drinking lemon iced tea.
Okay, put it in.
Here we go.
Ow!
Jay, you fell in the water. Let me water fight you.
Ow, 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 get off me! Get off me! Aw, I want to join in.
Michael, did you just snuck out of the cage?
Oh, poo-poo head.
Get back in your tiny little room.
Okay, Frank, Tommy, next time invite me. Let's just chill and turn on the AC. Where's the remote? Mom, where's my AC remote?
I took it. The downstairs AC is not working. What, you got a problem?
Oh, okay. Michael's diary, August 1st. I used to be a favorite child, but ever since Tommy was born, my life has been a living hell. I'm gonna get rid of him.
Jonathan or whatever. Come eat lunch.
Okay. Coming.
Eat up, Jonathan. Don't talk to me until you finish. Time to change my wig real quick. I can't believe I'm getting a big promotion tomorrow.
Oh no, I have a bad cough. Oh no, my voice. You need to stop using your voice too much. Your kids are gonna find out.
I know.
Also, your total for this operation is $6,000, so pay up.
I'll be right back.
Welcome to Papinsville Saving Bank. Can I see your request? $6,000. Just a minute.
Stop playing with my feelings, Tommy. We'll never get back together. Frank! Frank, your dick smells nice. Let me shoot it with my shotgun. Come here.
Go away! Don't eat my dick, Tommy! Alright, Mom. What are you cooking?
Well, Frank, you just got accepted into university, right?
Yeah?
So in order to celebrate, I'm gonna be making deep-fried university admission letter! Yay! I'm single! I want to be single! Screw her!
Alright, my last meal of the challenge.
Oh my god, this is so exciting! Go, Pavan, go!
Yeah. Ow!
I'm sick of you! Bye forever, Martha! Princess 4K!
Oh, hey Michael, we gotta see this! Yep.